Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an updated wash day, so stay tuned. So right now I'm just going in, I part my hair in 4 sections and I'm going to take them out and then drench my hair with water. Okay guys, so I really like to make sure I drench my hair with water. I like to make sure every single strand of hair is soaking wet because it makes detangling way easier for me, and also it makes shampooing my hair easier. So I'm just going in with the Power Wash by Aunt Jackie's. Now this shampoo isn't really a favorite of mine because it does make my hair super dry and I really don't like the feeling, but this is the only shampoo I have on hand right now, so this is what I'm just going to use today. So I'm just going in, making sure I'm giving myself a really nice scalp massage because I really want my scalp clean. I want to get rid of all the buildup that I had all week and just focusing on every section of my hair so I don't miss any spots. So right now I'm just gonna grab my scalp massaging tool and I like to just massage my scalp with it while I have the shampoo on my head because it reduces muscle tension and it helps promote hair growth, and it also helps balance the nervous system, so yeah. Okay, so I parted my hair in 4 sections and I'm just going in with my spray bottle just to saturate the hair a little bit, and then I'm going to apply my deep conditioner. I'm using the Macadamia natural oil, and this will probably be the last time I'm using this deep conditioner, although it was my holy grail. And if you want to know why I'm parting with this deep conditioner, just drop a comment below and let me know, and I'll do a separate video on why I'm parting with that deep conditioner. So recently I've been suffering with dry hair on top of my hair. I'm really convinced that it's me wearing ponytails all the time. So if you guys have any tips and tricks I can use to prevent frizz, please let me know. Okay, so I'm just going to put the blow dryer on my hair for 7 minutes and then rinse my deep conditioner out. And voila, there you have it, my updated wash day routine. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so please support. I hope you guys are staying safe out there, and don't forget Friday is my next video, so stay tuned. See you guys then.